आज से वर्कआउट शुरू करते हैं। क्या करेगी वर्कआउट करके? वैसे भी अगले हफ्ते घर में शादी है, रेगुलर तो होएगा नहीं। चल ना। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि अगर आप कोई हेल्दी हैबिट शुरू करना चाहते हो तो वो आप कैसे शुरू करो कि वो हैबिट आपके लिए लाइफ लॉन्ग या बहुत लंबे टाइम तक चले। वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाई कंसिस्टेंसी इज टफ, स्टेजेस ऑफ चेंज मॉडल एंड हाउ यू कैन हैव कंसिस्टेंट रूटीन विद एक्शनेबल टिप्स। और अगर आपने हमारी इस हीलिंग फॉर हेल्थ सीरीज को आज ही ज्वाइन किया है, देन इन द प्रीवियस 2 एपिसोड्स वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट हाउ इमोशनल ईटिंग कैन बी टैकल्ड एंड व्हाई डिसिप्लिन गेट्स हार्ड व्हेन लाइफ गेट्स हार्ड. So after watching this video, I highly recommend that you watch those 2 videos as well. And now let's talk about consistency. अपने 12 साल की प्रैक्टिस में मैंने ये नोटिस किया है कि जो लोग सबसे ज़्यादा फेल होते हैं एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल क्रिएट करने में, वो वही लोग होते हैं जिनको सबसे ज़्यादा फास्ट रिजल्ट चाहिए होता है. But because if you are trying to create any permanent change in your life, it's always going to be a process and not an overnight success. And these people fail to understand that. That's why they keep looking for one after the other a fast solution. उसकी वजह से उनका टाइम वेस्ट होता है and then they are back to the square one. Stages of change is a psychological model which can help us make these changes in a consistent way. And as per this, there are 5 stages to create any kind of change in your life. Number 1 is pre-contemplation, when you're not ready to make a change yet. Second is contemplation, when you're thinking about it but you're not taking any action. Preparation is when you're planning to actually change something in your life and you're getting ready to act on it. Action is the stage when you're just getting started and you're in your early days. And maintenance is the phase when you're working to make these changes a part of your life for a long term. अगर आप भी अपनी लाइफ में कोई भी चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, whether it is in your work or in your health, I would highly encourage you that you sit with a diary and a pen and observe where exactly you are among these 5 stages so that you can plan your next step ahead. And because you're watching this video, I am pretty sure कि आप pre-contemplation stage में तो definitely नहीं हो. You are already thinking about making some change in your life, so you are in the contemplation phase. And because of that, we can talk about the planning stage, which can be your next step. Preparation stage is when you're laying the groundwork, you're setting goals, you're identifying what are the obstacles, you're creating a plan. But एक mistake है जो planning stage में हम सब लोगों के साथ कभी ना कभी हो जाती है. That is, we plan a lot without taking any action. And what ends up happening is that we keep wasting our time in just planning what we are going to do and we never take action. So एक चीज़ जो मेरे साथ में काम करती है, whether it is about the fitness stage that I am in or in my work, जब भी मुझे प्लान करते हुए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो जाता है, I snap out of it and just take the action. Because even if you are not completely ready, जब आप एक स्टेप लोगे, दूसरा स्टेप आपके लिए अपने आप क्लियर हो जाएगा. And then so on you're going to take steps ahead, and that way you will actually be creating something rather than just planning. In fact, if you are breaking down your entire goal into these small steps, you will also see that you will be taking action and you will get closer to your goals rather than trying to do a lot of things all at once. इसका एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल ये हो सकता है कि अगर आपका गोल है कि आप हफ्ते में 5 दिन वर्कआउट करना चाहते हो और अभी आप बिल्कुल भी वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे हो, then rather than thinking of going to the gym for 1 hour, taking a year-long membership, you instead take a 3-month membership, plan to go for 3 days in a week, maybe for half an hour, 45 minutes, जितना टाइम आप कन्वीनियंटली निकाल पाओ. बिकॉज ये तो सच है कि बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ में ऐसा होता है that they commit for really big things and then जब वो चीज़ नहीं हो पाती है, then guilt comes to you and then you leave the entire thing altogether. And let's say अभी आप जिम ज्वाइन करने के स्टेज में भी नहीं हो, then also you can start with just by going for a walk for 30 minutes every day or start doing 6 Surya Namaskars every day. And then as your strength, mental and physical, builds up, then you increase the intensity and the duration of your workouts also. One brilliant thing that works for me whenever I'm trying to do something new is that I always track my progress. So have a planner, have a journal where you can write down what all you achieved in that particular week or in a particular month. और जब आप कोई चीज़ प्लान कर रहे हो, when I say plan, I do not mean oh I'll work out more. No, you plan how many days, how many minutes every single day or number of times in a week that you're going to do it. Then when you do it, you actually write down how simple it gets with time. Also, one thing that I heard somewhere and I stuck with me was that it's not tough, it's just unfamiliar. Because होता क्या है ना, जब हम कोई नई चीज़ करना शुरू करते हैं उस टाइम पर हमें वो बहुत टफ लगती है. और कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आप बहुत टाइम से करते आ रहे हो, even if it is hard for other people, you might think that it's very easy. So the only difference between tough and easy इज दैट द थिंग विच इज ईजी यू हैव डन इट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. और जो चीज़ आपको टफ लग रही है, इट्स जस्ट टफ बिकॉज इट्स न्यू फॉर यू. सो एवरी सिंगल टाइम यू आर डूइंग समथिंग न्यू और टफ, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू सेलिब्रेट दैट स्मॉल विन. जैसे कि आज ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना मैं डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा सो एज आई सेड, ये वीडियो शूट करना मैं ज़रूर सेलिब्रेट करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज दिस हैज़ हैपेंड आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ अनफेमिलियर थिंग्स दैट हैव हैपेंड टुडे. So now we have spoken about the first element of this video, which is the courage to start. Now let's talk about the strength to stay consistent. जैसा कि हमने इस सीरीज के पार्ट 2 में बात की थी, मोटिवेशन आपको तब आता है जब आप अंदर से कोई चीज़ सच में करना चाहते हो. सो येस, वेन एवर यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग विच यू रियली वॉन्ट टू डू, यू स्टार्ट विद अ हाई मोटिवेशन. बट वो मोटिवेशन बना के रखने का तरीका ये है दैट वेन एवर यू आर अचीविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट, इवन इफ इट इज स्मॉल, you celebrate that result because that result is going to give you further motivation to keep on repeating the cycle. And yes, I have seen a lot of people celebrate their wins by eating a brownie or going to eat out or going for a heavy lunch or going for a heavy dinner. उसकी वजह से होता ही है कि जो भी एक हफ्ते में मेहनत की थी वो वीकेंड पे बराबर हो जाती है. Certain things which can actually give you ongoing motivation whenever you are celebrating a result is to do something more meaningful than just giving into your temptations. It can be writing down your experience and solidifying it on a physical piece of paper. It can be speaking to a friend about it, treating yourself with a hair spa or a body massage. In fact, these are the ways that I personally use to celebrate whenever I'm winning on something. Yes, starting a new habit takes a lot of courage and staying consistent on it takes a lot of strength also. So if you are doing something for a really long time now, I really want you to share that experience in the comment section so that we celebrate your win too. और अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में कोई चेंज लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, then break down your goal into mini goals, start taking some action towards it and make sure that you are celebrating every small win that you get. And I know इस पूरे जर्नी में कई बार ऐसा भी होगा कि आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी ब्रेक हो जाएगी या you will have a slip up or a mess up. And yes, for a lot of people they go into a shame spiral where they get embarrassed, they feel bad about slipping up. That's why in next video we are going to talk about the shame spiral and how to come back after a slip up in your discipline journey. If you want to join me in the next video, make sure that you are pressing the bell icon so that YouTube notifies you whenever I'm posting that video. And meanwhile, in the comment section, just mention one small win that you had this week so that other people also get motivated by your own journey. जितना हो पाएगा उतना कर लूँगी, कुछ नहीं से तो कुछ हाँ ही अच्छा है.